An 88-year-old grandma was forced to remove her colostomy bag at airport security. A 96-year-old was pulled from her wheelchair for an embarrassing pat-down. This could be your family next. If you're over 65 or have elderly loved ones who travel, there are 7 TSA rules that nobody tells seniors about. Miss these and you could face delays, embarrassment, or worse. I'll show you the secret rules that airport security doesn't want you to know. Stay until the end because rule number 7 could save your dignity and your life. Number 1. The medical card secret. Most seniors think carrying their pacemaker card or medical papers will get them through security faster. This is completely wrong, and here's why it backfires. Airport security agents see thousands of people daily. Your medical card means nothing to them because anyone can fake papers. What actually works is calling ahead and getting real help from trained professionals. There's a secret free service that assigns you a personal helper at the airport. They meet you at security and walk you through every step. No more confusion, no more embarrassing pat-downs, no more having your medicines thrown away. This service exists because too many seniors were getting mistreated at checkpoints. The government created it after lawsuits from families whose grandparents were humiliated during screening. You must call exactly 72 hours before your flight. Not 71 hours, not 73 hours, exactly 72. They'll ask about your medical devices, medications, and mobility aids. Then they coordinate everything with airport security before you arrive. But wait. There's one medication mistake that could cost you $200 in thrown away medicine. Number 2. The medication mix-up. Seniors lose their life-saving medications every single day because they don't know this one simple rule about liquids. Everyone knows the 3-1-1 rule. Liquids must be 3.4 ounces or smaller, fit in 1 quart bag, 1 bag per person. But here's what they don't tell you. Medical liquids are completely exempt from these size limits. Your insulin, eye drops, liquid vitamins, cough syrup, none of these count toward the liquid limits. You can bring full-size bottles. But there's a catch that trips up 90% of seniors. You must separate medical liquids from regular liquids and declare them first thing at security. Don't just dump everything in bins. Walk up to the TSA agent and say, "I have medical liquids that need special screening." They'll test each bottle with a special machine. Takes 2 extra minutes but prevents your medicines from being thrown away. I've seen diabetic seniors lose $200 worth of insulin because they treated it like regular liquids. The key word is medically necessary. Use those exact words when declaring your liquids. Here's what makes this process lightning fast. TSA-approved toiletry kits designed specifically for seniors. These clear, organized bags have separate compartments for medications and regular toiletries, making security screening effortless. No more fumbling with multiple bags or wondering if your setup meets TSA requirements. These kits are pre-approved and designed to breeze through security. Check the description below for links to the exact kits that eliminate delays and confusion at checkpoints. But here's the scary part. There's one medical device that could literally kill you if you use it wrong at security. Number 3. The pacemaker danger zone. This is the life or death rule that could save your heart. Pacemakers and defibrillators cannot go through metal detectors ever. The magnetic fields from metal detectors can reprogram your heart device or shut it down completely. I'm not exaggerating. This has happened to real people who didn't know better. When you approach security, immediately tell the agent, "I have a pacemaker and cannot use the metal detector." Don't wait for them to ask. Don't assume they'll figure it out when the machine beeps. They'll direct you to the body scanner machine instead. This uses radio waves, not magnets, so it's safe for your heart device. If there's no body scanner available, you can request a manual pat-down instead. Always carry your pacemaker identification card, but remember from Rule 1. The card itself won't speed things up. It just proves you're telling the truth about having the device. Some seniors try to hide their pacemakers because they're embarrassed. This is extremely dangerous. Your life is more important than a few extra minutes of screening. But what if I told you there's a hidden TSA program that gives you a personal helper at the airport? Most seniors have never heard of this free service. Number 4. The Secret Helper Program. There's a free TSA program that assigns you a personal assistant at the airport, but 95% of seniors have never heard of it. It's called TSA Cares, and it's like having VIP service without the VIP price. Here's the catch. You must call exactly 72 hours before your flight. Not 71 hours, not 73 hours. Exactly 72. The number is 855-787-2227. They'll ask about your medical devices, medications, and mobility needs, then coordinate everything with airport security. This service exists because too many seniors were getting confused, delayed, or mistreated at checkpoints. The government created it after complaints from families whose grandparents faced problems during screening. Your helper can expedite screening for wheelchairs, explain medication rules, and even request private screening rooms if needed. It's completely free and available at every major airport. Most seniors discover this program by accident after a bad airport experience. Don't wait for that to happen. But here's the crazy part. You can get treated like royalty at any age if you know this $78 secret. Number 5, the $78 game changer. TSA. PreCheck isn't just for business travelers rushing to meetings. It's actually a senior citizen's best friend. And here's why it's worth every penny. For $78, you get 5 years of VIP treatment. Keep shoes, belts, and light jackets on. Leave laptops and liquids in your bags. Use shorter, faster lines with 99% of passengers waiting under 10 minutes. This is especially important for seniors with arthritis, back problems, or mobility issues. The application process is simple. Fill out forms online, schedule a 10-minute appointment at enrollment centers located in most cities, bring required documents, get fingerprinted and photographed. That's it. Many seniors think PreCheck is complicated or expensive. Wrong on both counts. It costs less than $16 per year, and the appointment takes less time than a doctor's visit. Here's the bonus. Family members under 12 can use PreCheck lines with you for free. Perfect for traveling with grandchildren. But hold on. There's a 2025 rule change that could leave millions of seniors stranded at airports. Number 6, the face scanner trap. TSA just rolled out new face scanning technology at major airports, and it's causing massive confusion for seniors who don't know the rules. These facial recognition machines are optional. You can always opt out and use your physical ID instead. But many seniors don't realize this and feel forced to use technology they're uncomfortable with. Here's what TSA agents aren't telling you. The machines sometimes can't read faces with glasses, hearing aids, or medical devices. If the scan fails, you might face additional screening that takes 15 to 20 extra minutes. The smart move? Know your rights. You can politely say, "I'd like to opt out of facial recognition," and show your physical ID instead. This is often faster and less stressful for seniors. Some airports are pushing these machines hard because they're new and expensive. Don't feel pressured. Traditional ID checking still works perfectly and is your legal right. Many seniors report feeling more comfortable and moving through security faster when they skip the face scanners entirely. Now here's the final rule about wheelchairs that most seniors get completely wrong. Number 7, the wheelchair trap. Your wheelchair, walker, canes, and mobility aids will be searched at security. But here's how to keep your dignity during the process. Every single mobility device gets inspected by TSA agents. They check for hidden weapons or explosives because criminals have used wheelchairs and walkers to smuggle dangerous items onto planes. Here's what most seniors don't know. You can stay seated in your wheelchair during most of the inspection. You don't have to stand up or transfer to another chair unless absolutely necessary. Tell the agent, "I'd like to remain in my wheelchair during screening." They'll inspect the chair around you, test for explosive residue, and examine any removable parts. If you use a walker or cane, they'll take it for separate screening but must return it immediately after inspection. Don't let them keep your mobility aid while processing other items. For power wheelchairs, batteries get extra attention. Arrive early because these inspections take longer. Some battery types require special handling procedures that add 10 to 15 minutes to your screening time. Never be embarrassed about needing mobility assistance. It's more common than you think. Share this video with every senior you know. It could save them from airport humiliation. Which rule shocked you most? Drop a comment below with your worst TSA experience. Subscribe for more travel secrets that airlines don't want you to know, and hit the notification bell so you never miss money-saving tips that could rescue your next vacation.